In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Biometrics and Password. Tap on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. After selecting a perfect one, you get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Lastly, apply one of those options to decide what you do with lock screen notifications. And hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!